Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to open a US bank account online as a non-resident without SSN. The main problem with US banks is that they only allow US residents to open an account, and with some US banks you can start the process of opening an account online, but you need to visit in person to actually verify your documentation. However, if you are a non-resident, there are some limited but viable options. You can choose to make your own US bank account, and one of them and the best option is Wise. It will provide you with a multi-currency account. It gives you a routing number, an account number, a checking account, plus a Visa debit card. You can use it to spend in 50 plus currencies, including US dollars. And in addition to a physical card, you also have access to a virtual card for secure online shopping. You will be able to spend and be paid just like a local in the United States and convert your US balance to your native currency without being charged outrageous bank fees. And here is a small comparison between Wise versus US banks, costs and fees. And here, as you can see, the pricing is much more cheaper in Wise Bank compared to other platforms. And the reason why you can send money at the real exchange rate with Wise is because of the way that it does transfers. In other US banks, they will convert your US currency to the other country currency, then send it to another bank. But because Wise Bank has many branches worldwide, they will just take the US balance from you, then they will give the recipient the money in his native currency from one of their other banks in the same country, and that's why it's less pricey. Now let me show you exactly how you can open an account with Wise. All you should do is to go to Wise homepage, then click on register right here, and after that you will have to fill in some information. First you'll have to enter your email address, then they will give you a verification email, or you can simply log in with your Google email. Now here, as you can see, I opened my Gmail inbox, then click on the link that they give me. Now click on continue, and after that will show you whether you want to open a personal or a business account. So here in my case I will choose personal, and don't worry, both of them will not cost you any monthly fees. But here are some differences between the personal and business account. So in my case, I will choose personal. Then after that, you'll have to enter where do you live in. So here in my case, I live in Egypt. Then I'm gonna click on continue. And after that, they will show exactly what you can do with Wise account in Egypt or any other countries. But here, because Egypt has very limited options, you cannot do the same things. So I'm gonna click on continue. Then after that, you'll have to enter your phone number. Then click on send verification code. They'll send you a verification code to your mobile number. Then click on submit. And after that, you'll have to set a password, then log in into your account. And now you can enjoy sending or receiving money using Wise with no monthly fees and with low pricing costs when exchanging from currency to another. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.